Get ready to rev up your engines and witness the awe-inspiring power of the chainsaw world's most formidable juggernauts. These mechanical beasts are the ultimate masters of destruction, packing mind-blowing might and unrivaled cutting prowess into every razor-sharp tooth. From the colossal Stihl 090, wielding a monstrous 137cc engine, to the beastly Husqvarna 3120 XP, armed with a staggering 8.4 horsepower, these chainsaws stand in a league of their own, ready to conquer any tree that dares to stand in their way. Brace yourself for an unforgettable journey into the realm of logging legends. Monstrous 137cc engine. Earth-shaking 8.5 horsepower. The Stihl 090 devours the toughest trees with ravenous efficiency, slicing through towering Douglas firs and cedars in the dense Pacific Northwest forests. Unrivaled power, unmatched performance, a force to be reckoned with. $118.8 kg engine. Mind-blowing 8.4 horsepower. The awe-striking Husqvarna 3120 XP laughs at tough jobs, fearlessly conquering hardy pines and sturdy spruces in rugged Scandinavia. Witness raw power and be amazed. Mighty 123T engine, awe-inspiring 8 horsepower. The McCulloch Super Pro 125 chews through the thickest hardwood trunks in the Appalachians. Advanced features ensure unrivaled performance and operator comfort. Experience unstoppable might and be forever changed. Ferocious 106T engine, blistering 7.5 horsepower. The Stihl Contra Lightning strikes with the swiftness and precision of a lightning bolt. Skilled UK arborists dance it through English oaks and sycamores with breathtaking agility. Behold its might and tremble. Formidable 99C engine, staggering 7 horsepower. The Husqvarna 2100 XP reigns supreme in untamed Tasmania. Slicing through tough old growth trees, advanced air injection M. Filtration tames wild forests. Bow before the undisputed king. Robust 94C engine, earth-shaking 7 horsepower. The Husqvarna 395 XP unleashes unmatched fury in the Black Hills of South Dakota. Towering ponderosa pines tremble before its relentless onslaught. Kneel before it and tremble. Fearsome 91.1K engine. Staggering 7.2 horsepower, the Stihl MS 661 cm is forged for conquering California's mightiest redwoods. Advanced M-Tronic engine management and HD2 filter ensure optimal performance. Witness unstoppable power and be changed. Potent 80K engine, impressive 6.2 horsepower. The Husqvarna 281 XP dances through Germany's Black Forest with mesmerizing grace, ergonomic design, and air injection depth. Make seasoned lumberjacks marvel. Experience the magic and be enchanted. Awe-inspiring 85K engine, monstrous 6 horsepower. The Husqvarna 394 XP reigns unrivaled in Brazil's lush rainforests, effortlessly taking on mighty Paran pines and Tawari trees. X-Torquer and Low Vibber maintain peak performance. Bow before this unmatched ruler. Formidable 74C engine, robust 5.4 horsepower. The Husqvarna 371 XP springs to life in Quebec's dense forests, slicing through sugar maple and yellow birch. air injection M, and X-Torquer. Ensure peak performance in demanding jobs. Witness its unstoppable force and beyond. Impressive 82 TEC engine, staggering 6 horsepower. The McCulloch 797 stands as a testament to classic Swedish engineering. Originally dominating mid-century logging, it still captivates with rugged dependability and timeless charm. Experience the legend. Advanced 79 TEC engine, astonishing 6.7 horsepower. The Stihl MS 500 at launch edition revolutionizes logging in the Italian Alps. Making short work of formidable larch and stone pine. Fuel-injected, lightweight design navigates treacherous terrain with unrivaled ease. Witness the future and be amazed. Robust 70.7 TEC engine, impressive 5.4 horsepower. The Jonsered 2171 is the ultimate woodcutter's companion. In Finland's snow-laden forests, effortlessly slicing through aspen and white birch. Air injection M and turbo air cleaning them maintain peak performance in harsh Nordic elements. Conquer the wilderness with ease. Potent 70 TEC engine, impressive 5 horsepower. The McCulloch 1010 embodies American ingenuity in the heart of Texas, tearing through mesquite and live oak with classic design and unwavering reliability. Experience the raw power of this golden era icon. Advanced 70.6 engine, staggering 5.7 horsepower. The Husqvarna 572 XP emerges as the ultimate tropical logging force in Indonesia's jungles. Slicing through tulang and mahogany, auto-tuned M, and X-Torquer. Maintain optimal performance in challenging equatorial conditions. Conquer the rainforest with ease. 68 TEC engine, 5 horsepower. The Stihl MS-09's vintage roar echoes through Minnesota's misty North Woods, felling mighty red and white pines. Formidable 67 TEC engine, impressive 5 horsepower. The Jonsered 630 reigns as the ultimate eucalyptus slayer in Australia's rugged Victorian Alps, taking on tough mountain ash and giant mountain gums. Turbo air cleaning them and spin start them. Ensure peak performance in harsh alpine conditions. Conquer the highlands with ease. Powerful 64.1 TEC engine, impressive 4.7 horsepower. The Makita DCS 6000, 401 tames Washington's untamed temperate rainforests, precisely slicing through Douglas fir and western red cedar. Stratified air scavenging and lateral chain tensioning maintain optimal performance in demanding jobs. Experience unrivaled power and precision. Potent 61 TEC engine, impressive 4.6 horsepower. The Makita EA 6000, 100P dances through Japan's mysterious forests with mesmerizing grace. Taking on challenging Zelkova and horse chestnut, primer pump and easy start ensure effortless operation. Formidable 50.1 TEC engine, 3.4 horsepower. The Husqvarna 550 XP is the compact powerhouse for Colorado's rugged Rockies, efficiently slicing through lodgepole and ponderosa pine. X-Torquer. Technology and auto-tune M ensure peak performance and fuel efficiency in long workdays. Experience unrivaled portability and power. Powerful 85 kT engine. Impressive 6 horsepower. The Pool is 5200 roars to life in Arkansas's Ozark Mountains, tearing through hickory and tulip poplar with unwavering determination. Rugged design and uncompromising power make it a favorite among professional loggers. Experience its unstoppable might. Potent 50 key engine. Impressive 3.3 horsepower. The Poland Pro 520 emerges as the ultimate woodcutting companion for homeowners in the Pacific Northwest, easily slicing through red alder and paper birch. Effortless pull starting and automatic gear-driven oiler ensure precision for inexperienced operators. Conquer your backyard with ease. Formidable 80.7T engine. Impressive 6.3 horsepower. The Echo CS 800P roars to life in New York City's urban forest, efficiently slicing through towering sycamores and black walnuts. G-Force engine air pre-cleaner and vibration reduction ensure comfort and safety for arborists in demanding environments. Conquer the urban jungle. Powerful 59.8 key engine. Impressive 3.9 horsepower. The Echo CS 590 Timber Wolf is the precision-engineered companion for Pennsylvania's rugged Allegheny Mountains, accurately slicing through scarlet and red oak. Digital ignition and automatic clutch-driven oiler maintain optimal performance in challenging terrain. Experience unparalleled precision and power. Formidable 80 key engine, impressive 6 horsepower. The Echo CS 8000 roars to life in Tennessee's vast hardwood forests, tearing through shagbark and pignut hickory with unwavering reliability. G-Force engine air pre-cleaner and vibration reduction ensure optimal performance. Powerful 72.2 stick engine. Impressive 5.6 horsepower. The Shindaiwa 757 emerges as the ultimate companion for Kentucky's rolling bluegrass hills, easily slicing through white oak and chestnut oak. Robust 47.9 key engine. Impressive 3.5 horsepower. The Shindaiwa 488 is the compact powerhouse for Switzerland's majestic mountains, gracefully dancing through Norway spruce and Austrian pine. Easy access air filter cover and side access chain tensioner ensure confident maintenance for inexperienced users. Conquer the Alps with ease. Robust 34 stick engine, 2 horsepower. The Tanaka TCS 3401 is the user-friendly powerhouse for Georgia's sun-drenched orchards, gracefully dancing through peach and plum trees. Auto oiler and lateral chain tensioning ensure confident maintenance for inexperienced operators. Conquer your orchard with ease. Formidable 82 stick engine, awe-inspiring 6 horsepower. The Partner P5000 roars to life in France's enchanted forests, tearing through English oak and European ash with unwavering power. Centrifugal air cleaning and automatic oiler ensure optimal performance and durability in ancient forests. Experience unrivaled reliability. Behold the undisputed kings of the chainsaw world, mechanical beasts pushing the boundaries of raw power and unstoppable performance. Mind-blowing stats, cutting-edge features. The ultimate tools for the toughest challenges. Hear their roar echo through the woods, embodying incredible engineering and brute strength. Not just tools, legends, the stuff of lumberjack dreams, and forestry folklore. Hail to the mechanical marvels atop the chainsaw food chain, inspiring confidence and swagger in any task. May their reign endure, their roar never silenced. Long live the kings of the chainsaw jungle.